Hey, how's it going, you guys? And today we have the top 3 tricks I think will improve your Infinix experience. Pre-fill your pod an hour in advance. What this will do is it will prevent your pod from burning. So you give it an hour to wick, and then you could hit it and go ham. You want to keep your Infinix upright at all times. Now, you put it in your pocket, make sure it's up. You're charging, make sure to take the pod out, keep it up, and then charge your Infinix. The hit quality, you're not going to get as many burnt hits, and you're not going to get as much spitback. If you are getting spitback on your device, what you want to do is hold your device upright and flick. Your hit won't have any spitback issues. Thriving fam, we coming up. Alright y'all, thanks for watching.